Good morning.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, children. Good morning.
Good
How are you
Good
all? How
morning,
was the
ma'am.
rain? Hmm? How
Good
was the
morning,
rain?
ma'am.
Heavy rain everywhere.
Yes, ma'am.
Elsa? Here it is heavy rain, Elsa. What about there? Is it hot there? Elsa? Elsa? No,
Good
she
morning,
can't
ma'am.
hear. Hmm? Good morning, Alvin. Good morning. Okay.
Good
Children,
morning, ma'am.
please read last question. It is about coins. Did we start die? Yes, isn't it? Did we have started now? Dice questions.
Yes, ma'am.
Please read the last
I'm
question.
here. It
Hmm? Yeah, yes, Elsa. How was there?
Here still
Rain
raining.
is there?
Still raining.
Hmm?
Still raining.
Yeah, it is heavy rain in Kerala. Elsa, it's not in Kerala. No. Okay, last question. Please read the last one.
Ma'am, probably of getting a composite number.
Probability of getting composite number. Okay. So we are continuing with that tossing two coins. Okay. So find the probability of, or when two coins are tossed, we will begin with the question. When two coins are tossed, when two coins are tossed, when two coins are tossed, find first one, probability of getting probability of getting 6 on second die.
Ma'am, it is, ma'am.
6 on
Ma'am,
second die.
Ma'am,
Huh?
coins are tossing, ma'am, not die.
Huh?
And the
Ma'am, it's
question
coin. When two coins, not die.
Sorry, always, sorry. Always I am making mistake. Die are thrown. Two dice are thrown. Getting 6 on second die. Okay. Sorry. When two dice, CE, when two dice are thrown, what is the probability of getting 6 on second die? Those 36 outcomes are there with you now, isn't it? 36 outcomes are there in your book, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. From there, you find out how many possible outcomes are there for 6 on second die. 6 on second die. Count how many are there. 6 on second die means 1 6 is an outcome.
yes, ma'am.
1 6. Then next one 1 6. How many are there? 6 on second die. Nagul, how many are there? Nagul? Unmute, I can't hear you. I can't hear, dear.
Ma'am, can I answer?
Yes.
Ma'am, there are 6.
Which are they?
Ma'am, 6,
1
2
6.
6, 3 6, 4 6, 5 6, and 6 6.
6 6. Okay. The outcomes are
How
1
there is,
6.
ma'am, 6 in the second dice.
Second die, yes. Second 5 6 6 6. Second die, what was the number here in 6 6? What was the number in second die? It is 6 no. First day, okay, it is already 6, but second day also 6. So it is 6 by, what is the total? Total outcomes are
36.
36. So 6 by 36, that is 1 by 6. 1 by 6. Is it clear, all of you? 1 by 6. There are 6 outcomes. There are 6 outcomes which satisfies the condition. Condition is getting 6 on second die. Getting 6 on second die. The possible outcomes are 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 5, 6, 4, 6, 6, 6 also. In 6, 6, first, first is already 6. No matter, we have to check whether the second one is 6 or not. In the 6, 6, second also 6. So we have to count that also. So 6 by total 36. So it is 1 by 6. Next question. When a die is thrown, find the probability of getting a number greater than 5. Greater than 5. Don't say the answer. All of you write the answer. We will discuss it later. Find out the answer, all of you. Write the question and find out. Okay. Third one.
Can you hear me?
Yes. Yes.
Nothing, ma'am. So silence of the.
Okay. I can hear. I can hear. Okay. Shall we discuss the answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, Amrita. What was the answer for which was the second one? When a die is thrown, find the probability of getting a number greater than 5. What was the answer?
Ma'am, 1/6.
One. Only one number which is greater than 5 is only one number. That is 6, isn't it? So it is 1/6. Answer is 1/6. Okay. Shahan, third answer, probability of a number which is getting a 7. When a die is thrown, probability of getting 7. Shahan, what was the probability of getting 7? When a die is thrown, probability of getting 7. Shahan, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Shahan, probability of getting 7. When we throw a die, what is the probability of getting 7? How many 7s are there on a die?
Ma'am, can I tell, ma'am?
No, Afridi, wait. Next chance is yours. Okay, Afridi. Shahan, how many 7s are there on a die?
1.
1. Did you see dice? Did you play with dice?
Yes, ma'am.
Then 7 is there on a die?
No, ma'am.
Huh?
No.
No. So how many 7s are there?
0.
0. Yes, correct. So its probability is 0/6. So its probability is 0 itself. There is no 7. Okay, Afridi, getting a
Ma'am.
number not greater than 5.
5/6.
5/6, not greater than 5, not greater than 5. So the options are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5/6, correct. Next one is getting a multiple of 2. Getting a multiple of 2. Google, fifth answer. Getting a multiple of 2. Google.
Yes, ma'am.
Getting a multiple of 2. When we throwing a die, getting a multiple of 2. Which are the? Which are they? Multiple of 2.
2, 4, 6,
Hmm.
6.
6. Only 2 is not a multiple of. Can we consider 2 as a multiple of 2? That we can't. Multiple of 2s are, we multiply 2 with some number, we have to get that answer. Multiple of 2. Which are the multiples of 2?
2 will not be considered multiple of 2.
2.
Ma'am, it is like 2 into 1 equals to 2. It is
2 into, yeah, okay, in that sense we can do. Okay, so 2 we can, yes, correct. 2 into 1, correct, okay. So 2, then others are
2,
4 and 6.
only 2 and 6.
4.
2,
4
4,
and
and
4 also there. 4 also
3
there.
by 6
4.
2,
equal to 1/2.
3, no, 2, 4 and 6. So probability is 3/6. That is equal to 1/2. One more question. Actually, it is not from your book. It's next year's question, 10th standard question, but still I'm giving you probability of when, 1 second. When two dice are thrown, find the probability of getting a doublet. What's the meaning of doublet? Getting a doublet. What are the doublets? Doublet means
Ma'am, is it like in both the dice we get the same number?
same number. Doublets are. So which are the doublets? Doublets are
1 by 1, 2 by 2, 3 by
1, 1, not by 1, 1.
1, 2,
2, 2,
3, 3, 4,
4,
5,
4, 4, 5, 5. and 6 are, these are the doublets. Doublets. So what is the probability? How many are there, the doublets? There are 6 doublets. Okay, so probability of a doublet equal to 6 by total
36.
outcomes 36. That is 1 by 6. So I think throwing a coin or 2 coins, no, throwing 2 dice, is it clear? All forms, how to find? Can I move to the next type of questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, next. Our class is up to 11.
11, 10.
11, 10. Okay. Okay, now next set of question. Picking balls from a bag. Okay. A bag has, second type. A bag has four red balls and 5 blue balls. Blue balls. Find probability of getting a red ball. Second one, probability of getting blue ball. Third one, probability of getting not a blue ball. Write these questions. A bag has 4 red balls, 5 blue balls. So find probability of getting a red ball, a blue ball, not a blue ball. Okay. Shall we start? Akash, first one, probability of getting red ball. How many total possibility here? Total balls?
9.
Total number of balls is equal to 4 plus 5 equal to 9. And red ball 4, blue ball 5. Akash, probability of getting blue ball. Blue ball. How many blue ball? No, first one is red ball. How many red balls are there, Akash? 4.
9.
And total, Akash? Total is, total number of balls?
9.
9. So probability of getting a red ball is favorable outcome 4 by total 9. Clear, Akash?
9.
Is it
Yes,
clear?
ma'am.
So what was the answer for the
Yes,
second
ma'am.
one, Akash? What was the answer for second one? Probability of getting blue ball. Akash,
Yes, ma'am.
what was the probability of getting blue ball? Yes, Miss Yad, Akash has some connectivity problem. Okay, Miss Yad, say
5 by 9.
5 by 9. There are 5 balls, so it is 5 by 9. You're correct. Now, Renan, can you hear me, Renan?
Yes, ma'am.
Renan, what is the probability of getting not a blue ball?
4 by 9.
4 by 9, correct. Not a blue ball means it is probability of getting a red ball. 4 by 9, correct. Is it clear, Emmanuel? Wasim, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So next question. A bag contains 1 second. A bag contains, second one. A bag contains 2 white, 3 black, and 7 red balls. First one, find the probability of taking or getting. We are choosing one from the bag. Okay, I'm not writing all those things. From this bag, we are taking one ball. Find the probability of getting black ball, getting white ball. Third one, probability of getting red ball. Fourth one, probability of getting not a white ball. Not a white ball. Fifth one, probability of getting not a red ball. Write the answers.
I'm done.
Done. Okay. Wasim, can you say the first answer? Probability of total balls that you write first. Total balls is total
12.
12, ma'am.
12. Okay,
12,
total
right.
12. Okay. Okay, Wasim, say the first answer. Probability of getting a black ball. How many blacks are there?
3 by 12.
Yes, 3 by 12. You can simplify 3 by 12 equal to Wasim.
1 by 4.
Wasim.
Yes, ma'am.
Right, its simplest form, simplify 3 by 12 equal to. You can simplify it. Write the simplest form.
Ma'am, it is 1 by 4.
1 by 4. Okay. Now, Emmanuel, getting a white ball. Emmanuel, getting white ball. How many white balls are there, Emmanuel? Unmute. Without unmuting, how can I hear? Unmute and say, Emmanuel. No, sorry. Wait. Jonal, getting a white ball.
2 by
Jonah.
12.
3 by
Ma'am, 2
what
by
is it?
12. 2 by 12.
2 by 12. 2 by 12. 2 by 12.
1 by 6.
1 by 6. 1 by
1 by
6.
6. 1 by 6. Okay. Next, Ihan. Ihan, are you
Yes,
there?
ma'am.
Ihan, probability of getting red ball.
Ma'am, 7 by 12.
Yes, very good. 7 by 12. Niva, probability of getting not a white ball. Not a white ball. Any other color. Niva.
Yes, ma'am.
Probability of getting not a white. So, white we don't want. Some
Can
other.
I say?
No, wait. Niva.
Yes, ma'am.
Probability of getting not a white ball. White ball we don't want. Some other color. So how many are there possible outcomes?
2 by 12.
Not a white ball. Not a white ball. Not means we don't want white. Not. See this. Not a white ball. So how many other balls are there?
10 by 12.
10 by 12. Correct. 10 by 12. So this is 5 by 6.
5 by 6.
Okay, Aisha, getting not a red ball.
3 by 12.
Not a red. Only 3. We don't want red. We can have any other color. So, how many possible outcomes? Aisha?
5 by 12.
Yes, 2 by 3. We can take either white or black. Okay? Is it clear, children? This type 5 by 12. Not a red means we don't want red, but we can have either white or black. Clear, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Now, next set of questions. See, suppose we have a wheel, and this circle is divided by some sectors. And these sectors are colored with some colors. Colors are red, green, red, green.
Ma'am, we have to draw this circle.
Just draw. Green. These are the colors. I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 sectors. 14 sectors are there. Onam is coming.
It's my first time getting so many holidays for Onam.
Isn't it?
In Delhi, it was only 1 day. In Delhi, only 1 day.
Delhi, there is no Onam, no Onam.
No. But
Onam,
it was a Kerala school.
Huh?
It's a Kerala school.
Ma'am, when
It was
is
a
Eid
Kerala.
holidays coming?
Eid
20
holidays.
or 21.
Calendar it is 20, but government declared, not government, that Muslim authority says it was 21st, no, because of that moon's
Okay, ma'am.
calendar, using moon's calendar.
Here,
Maybe government will declare as
Here
a
it
holiday,
is
21st. 21st,
okay, ma'am. Here it is 20th. So
21st.
like almost 10 days.
10
Ma'am,
days.
in Oman, it is on 20th, I guess.
Okay.
10 days holidays.
10 days holidays. Okay, but you won't get Onam holidays, no.
No, ma'am, only 1 day.
Only 1 day. 1 day You will get Onam for Onam?
One day, I am not sure, ma'am. I don't remember.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Like, I guess maybe one day we get, or we celebrate at school Onam. We have
Okay.
a
Yeah, we also celebrate in school. I
we all
used to
dance.
stay in my school. It was a
Ah.
Kerala school in Delhi.
Okay. Okay. Children, did you draw this? The question is, find the probability of getting a green sector. Find the probability of, first one, probability of getting green sector. Second one, probability of getting red sector. Getting sector. Third one, probability of getting probability of getting not a red sector. Not a red sector. Write the answers, all of you.